Hey everyone, it's Alyssa with Keller Williams, and I'm out here with my daughter. And
Hi.
even in the rain, downtown Sugar Hill is pretty packed. Let's check it out.
It may be a rainy night in downtown Sugar Hill, but it is definitely still a busy night here.
There's a ton of stuff to do here as far as eateries, coffee, entertainment, and so forth. So let's check out something.
The Eagle Theater is a great place to catch a live show. And Scoops has plenty of sugar to keep you happy. So for a great night out, even if it's raining, come down to downtown Sugar Hill.